ప్రణామం టు అక్కలకోట మహారాజ్, గాన్గాపూర్ దత్తాత్రేయ మహారాజ్, లార్డ్ వెంకటేశ్వర. ప్రణామం టు కాకినాడ బాలా త్రిపుర సుందరి. I wish to tell you about Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga is an ancient yogic practice, ancient yogic system, ancient yogic method. It is highly useful to the software people, MBAs, accountants, pharmaceutical researchers, scientists, marketing people who are working under imposed targets, completion of the projects due to hard work and long working hours, subjected to stress, strain, tension and agony. When failures, not completion of the projects, not completion of the targeted goals, prone to depression, worries, emotions and disappointments. Kriya Yoga will give way to come out from that situation and release from the situation, and also helps not to affect it with that disorders. Kriya Yoga first preached by Lord Sri Krishna to Arjuna at the time of Kurukshetra, when Arjuna laid down his bow, arrows, armor on the ground, crying, "Cannot kill my own sections of people, blood relations, cousins, elder Bhishma and Guru Dronacharya." Fell into depression, weak-minded, totally inactive, filled with sorrow. At that time, Lord Sri Krishna preached Kriya Yoga to make him Karyonmakudu, to go ahead in the war, to do Kartavya. There is a twice mention of Kriya Yoga in Bhagavad Gita. Lord Sri Krishna preached this Kriya Yoga to Arjuna to rejuvenate him, to revitalize him, to re-energize him, to go ahead in the war with courage and determination to win, to establish, to restore peace, dharma and the truth in the world. Under his guidance, he has Lord Sri Krishna's Saradi to chariot of Arjuna. Then onwards, from one to one, from one generation to one generation, Kriya Yoga spread. People practiced the Kriya Yoga. But one stage, the spreading was stopped. It was confined to Himalayas only. Only sages, saints, yogis and sadhus are practicing the Kriya Yoga in the Himalayas. Spreading stopped. After some time, Mahavatar Babaji took the cause of spreading the Kriya Yoga to the then living generation. Mahavatar Babaji lived in Himalayas 1000 years back. Still Mahavatar Babaji's cave is in Himalayas. Celebrities Juhi Chawla, Rajinikanth used to visit this Mahavatar Babaji's cave periodically. When long shooting intervals, Rajinikanth used to visit Mahavatar Babaji's cave. There he meditates. He will stay there 2 or 3 days with selected friends and returns back. Now there is ashrama in that place to stay in. To reach Mahavatar Babaji's cave, first go to Uttarakhand, then go to the Pandav Kohli village at the foot of the Himalayas. Therefrom, guides are available to lead to Mahavatar Babaji's cave. In 1855, Mahavatar Babaji identified Shyam Charan Lahiri Maharaj, known as Lahiri Mahashaya, and preached this Kriya Yoga and given the task to propagate this Kriya Yoga, then living generation. Mahavatar Babaji given the task to Lahiri Mahashaya. Lahiri Mahashaya lived in Kashi in the 19th century. In 1884, Lahiri Mahashaya identified Yukteswar Giri Maharaj as his disciple and preached the Kriya Yoga, given the task to propagate this Kriya Yoga to then living generation. Yukteswar Giri Maharaj lived in Srirampur and Puri. In both places, he established ashramas. In 1910, Yukteswar Giri Maharaj identified Paramahamsa Yogananda as his disciple and preached the Kriya Yoga, entrusted the task to propagate the Kriya Yoga to the living public. Paramahamsa Yogananda is highly spiritual. He trekked and travelled in Himalayas. He had darshans of sages, saints, yogis and sadhus who are meditating in Himalayas to find out the God. He made known to us the existence of the sages, saints, yogis and sadhus meditating in Himalayas to find out the God. In 1920, Paramahamsa Yogananda received invitation to participate in the World Religious Congress held in Boston in North America. Yukteswar Giri Maharaj gave blessings and entrusted the cause of propagating the Kriya Yoga to American people, and also our culture, customs, traditions and systems of our Hindu religion, and also about our Hindu spirituality. Paramahamsa Yogananda with his speeches, discourse and teachings attracted a large section of Americans. Thousands of Americans, both women and men, became the disciples of Paramahamsa Yogananda. He established institution of self-realization fellowship, Atma Jnana Samajamu, in Boston. He preached Kriya Yoga to the Americans. He is known as the father of Kriya Yoga. In 1952, he entered in Mahasamadhi on his own accord, closed his life, stopped the breath. He lived more than 3 decades in North America. To know much about Paramahamsa Yogananda spiritual life, I suggest better read the autobiography of Paramahamsa Yogananda. Books are available in the market. Famous cricketer Virat Kohli, much influenced on reading the autobiography of Paramahamsa Yogananda. regarding practice of Kriya Yoga. Take a lungful breath, release it slowly. Take a lungful breath, release it slowly. The breath releasing time should be double to the breath taking time. The breath releasing time should be double to the breath taking time. If breath taking time is 2 seconds, breath releasing time should be 4 seconds. If breath taking time is 3 seconds, breath releasing time should be 6 seconds. Our body is consisting 72,000 nadis, nerves, blood carrying vessels, veins. Yoga Shastra says, biological science says, and medical science says, and doing Kriya Yoga, all these 72,000 nadis will be activated. There will be ample flow of blood in the blood carrying vessels filled with optimum level of oxygen and glucose. Abundant, adequate oxygen and glucose available to the cells for their life. The cells live longer. Our body is a construction of cells. Our body is Kana Nirmanam. Cells living long life means Kriya Yoga will give longer life to the Kriya Yoga practitioner, Abhyasi. Our body is consisting of 3 main nadis. In the chest part, left side Ida, right side Pingala. Sushumna nadi will run from top of the head to the end of the spinal through spinal. While doing Kriya Yoga, all the 3 nadis will be activated. The entire nadi system in our body will be activated. The entire nadi system in our body will be connected with the 3 nadis, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Because of Kriya Yoga, these 3 nadis will be activated. Whole nadi system will be activated. So, ample blood flow, even our blood vessels filled with optimum level of oxygen and glucose. Cell will receive this oxygen and glucose for their life. They will live longer. The brain in our head will be as in 2 parts, hippocampus, both clubbed together called corpus callosum. Our brain in the head seated in a liquid called cortex. The cortex will give protection to our brain. Because of Kriya Yoga, the cortex will be thickened. It is the indication that our brain is working in a good condition, healthy and active. No Alzheimer's, no memory loss. Wisdom improves. Because of the Kriya Yoga, the blood carrying cells will have good flow of blood containing glucose and oxygen. The neutrons and the cells in the brain receives this oxygen and glucose for their life. they live longer. Our brain works in good condition, strong and active. Our endocrinology system will be in good condition. Formation of hormones, enzymes, gastric juices, other liquids necessary to our body formation will be in the optimum level, in the required level. On the whole, Kriya Yoga will give longer life, longevity, Dirghayushu to the Kriya Yoga practitioner. The liquid in our head, the cortex, will run through our neck joints and spinal joints. It will act as a lubricant. So our body movements will be smooth and comfort. We apply lubricant to our motor car engine parts for smooth and comfortable running and for long life. As such, the cortex in our neck joints and spinal joints will act as a lubricant and will give and helps our body will have smooth and comfortable movements. Daily half an hour, morning and evening, do Kriya Yoga. Selecting a good place, sitting in Padmasana, if not Sukhasana, in a comfortable posture, keeping your hands in Chin Mudra, keeping your spinal straight in sitting position, your head straight, not keeping down or keeping up, straight, closing eyes. Do Kriya Yoga. Take a lungful breath and release it slowly. Take a lungful breath, release it slowly. The releasing time should be double to the breath taking time. Do it for 90 days without gaps, regularly, with faith and dedication. You will find the above mentioned results. You will experience the above mentioned results. You will find the changes in your mind and physique. Kriya Yoga will give longer life, healthy life and disease-free life to the Abhyasi, Kriya Yoga practitioner. This video is prepared with the inspiration and encouragement given by daughter Shailaja, software engineer, Chennai, and also my closest relative Ravindra, Railways, retired, Bangalore. Myself, yours faithfully, Dhananjaya, Motupalli, Hyderabad. If you like this video, please forward it to your friends and relatives who are having the interest in yoga and meditation. Please compare this video to other videos telling about Kriya Yoga coming in YouTube. Find out which is better. Namaste.